Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back with a project share. As I showed you on my last video, I am guest designing for Erica, who is Scrap Diva 29 here on YouTube, and I created a project using this 3D embellishment dies, as well as this really cute, I think this is my favorite die, the triple star bow. So let me show you the project right now. And here is the embellishment book that I created. This is a Halloween theme. And I printed this really nice, cute tarot card design. And I also make a shaker for the spine, as well as added the bow. And I didn't make it a 3D because this will be against my shelf, so I didn't want it to make it 3D. But then I also have this eek word that I attach on the back of the spine, and then of course everything is kind of like matching with all the Halloween colors like orange and purple. So this is where I will be storing my Halloween embellishments, and I really love the colors. Of course, I added this little spell book, and the tarot card was propped up with some foam, 3D foam, and then I added the witch's broom as well as the spell book to make it really cute, and I attached them using some super glue. And as you can see, this is a big book. And I really love the shaker element that I added to the spine with the cute ghosty design, and with the bow I added the purple and black together to match all the colors that I've used. And I know you can't hear it right now, but the shaker element is really nice when you kind of shake it. So this is a kind of like a hefty box, and it's really huge. So I hope you guys are thinking about buying these dies because they are a must-have. So this is my project for the day. I hope you guys really like this, and I'm also going to be posting some photos on my Instagram as well as a reel on TikTok so that you can see more reels about this book. So I really enjoyed making this project, and I hope you like my project as well. The August release is now available at Erica's shop, and I will be leaving a link in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell to keep notified of new video content. Thank you again for stopping by, and happy crafting!